All right, gang, I want to show these off to you today, give you a little bit of my feedback. These are a silicone coaster set made by Barvivo. Barvivo has become one of my favorite brands for use around the house in our little home bar setup. And these are phenomenal coasters. If you're wondering, like, what's the big deal with coasters? And it's pretty simple. If you've ever noticed, coasters like these have a lot of drawbacks, and these are the coasters that you see in most houses. They're loud, number one. They slide so easily, number two. They're just kind of a pain in the butt. Anything can fall off of these, but that's where these are a little bit different. These simple silicone coasters are easy to throw down. They match everywhere, and they don't move. They don't slip. Once they're down, they're down. They're gripping the table, so it makes less accidents happen. These also can be used in so many different areas. It's not just for drinks. This can be used up in bathrooms and things like that to put like your soap dispensers on and to keep things nice and neat and not slip on the countertop, which I absolutely love. These are also designed for better use with things like wine glasses that have like a fluted bottom so that it can easily slip into this, and a little lip to keep them from accidentally sliding off. And on top of that, if you happen to be outside, these make a great way to keep bugs out of your drink. Listen, if you are looking for a coaster set to keep in your bar, your home bar, or around your house, I think you are going to love these. These are made by Barvivo, and I think they're the way to go. Check them out.